Hi, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right, occasionally to do the coin laundry business wrong. You can do a YouTube search under Coin Laundry USA for other videos. Today is Thursday, March 15th, 2018, and I'm back in Jay, Oklahoma. This is the store you have a video of. You'll see it as labeled as Jay, Oklahoma, the before video, where we replaced all the washers in one of the old Wechsler single bucket dryers with a stack dryer. And I want to walk you around and let you see the transformation in this store. It is completely different. It looks great, and the owner has done a wonderful job on this store. There is a lot of availability of businesses in towns like this. They either have a store that you'll see in the before video that had about 24 washers, only of which 6 were still working, to now we have 4 45-pound Electrolux washers. We have 18 Primus soft mount Horizon washers, and we've added 4 top load washers. We've replaced the racks with Duncan plumbing racks. She's added large screen TV, a sitting area, redone the bathroom. And I spoke with her. The store opened about 30 days ago, and business has been increasing every week, just about every day. And we're real excited to have this. So let me walk you around. All right, as you remember, it had the old Speed Queen dryers in here. They weren't real old, they're still working. They're about 10 years old. And we took out the Dexter dryer and we added this Ipso 30-pound stack dryer. Now we had taken out all the top load washers. It had all top load washers and 2 25-pound Speed Queens. So here are the 4 45-pound Electrolux 100 G4s, all programmable. And we'll walk through. And then here are all the Primus Horizon washers. We have 6 on this side. We have 8 across here. 300 G4s, multi-level pricing. They look real nice. You can see the new TV up in the back. And here are the 4 more Primus front load, the 300 G4s, and 4 of the Primus top loaders. You get into some of the smaller towns, they want to have top loaders, but if you can see, $1.75 on the Primus. If you're going to have top loaders, you might as well charge for them because they don't make a whole lot of money, but there's those people that just want to have it. And as you can see, she's painted the fans, cleaned the place up. It looks real nice. And we'll walk through here. I mean, even the water closet has been completely redone. It's clean. She's taken a very bad business and made it into a very nice one. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, or if you're interested in anything like this, please let me know. All my information will be on the video. And thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you.